Hello everyone, this is Mohammed Usman from Pakistan and you watching Paper Knowledge. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can delete blank rows from your Excel sheet. As you can see that in this sheet, I have some blank rows, row number 5, 6, 7, 8, and you can also see that I have some blank rows here, here and here. So how we can get rid of all these blank rows from your Excel sheet? So for this we have to use the go to command, and to initiate the go to command you can press the Ctrl G from your keyboard, and now a dialog box will open, and here you have to click on special, and now you have to click on blanks. So when you click on blank, it means all the blank rows in your sheet, no matter how big the data is, no matter how many number of blank rows spread across your sheet, all the rows will select with this tab. So click on OK, and now you can see that all the blank rows are selected. Now you have to press the Ctrl and minus from your keyboard, and here make sure that you have select Shift cell up and click OK. Now you can see that all the blank rows are eliminated from my sheet. So this is the way you can delete blank rows from your Excel sheet. I'm also working as a Microsoft Excel trainer and freelancer. You can hire me on Upwork if you have any kind of Excel projects, any kind of Excel activity, any kind of Excel tasks. I can manage all kind of Excel work related to sheets, pivot tables, dashboards, etc. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a very good day.